My name is Nikesha Jones. I'm a first-year business student from New Orleans, Louisiana. The presentation was really great. One thing that I really liked it was that, unlike most of my friends, I'm here paying everything myself. So financial aid is not paying for everything. So I have work study, I have to pay my car insurance, I have to pay my phone bill, and I also have to pay the rest of the tuition that I have to pay to just to be here. So this was a great thing for me to come to because I learned a lot. One thing that I learned was that I need to learn how to budget. And coming with budgeting, I can't go to no more parties basically. If I do, just pick certain ones that I'm gonna go to. And I have to stop trying to be like high maintenance. Right now I'm not high maintenance because y'all know y'all can see my hair. I didn't go get that done or nothing. But but you know, it's all good though.